The Charter of Patients' Rights and Responsibilities, revised June 2022. Contents: Introduction, Patient Rights and Responsibilities, Access, Communication and Involving You, Privacy and Confidentiality, Feedback, Complaints and Rights. Further information. Introduction: Why the Charter has been developed. Under the Patient Rights Scotland Act 2011, the Act, Scottish ministers must publish a Charter of Patient Rights and Responsibilities that summarises the existing rights and responsibilities of people who use NHS services and receive NHS care in Scotland. The Act gives everyone the right to receive health care that considers their needs, considers what would most benefit their health and well-being, and encourages them to take part in decisions about their health and well-being. And gives them information and support to do so. It also gives patients a right to give feedback and make comments, and raise concerns or complaints about the care they have received. Find out more about the Act on the Scottish Government website www.gov.scot and the UK legislation website www.legislation.gov.uk. What the Charter does. The Charter of Patient Rights and Responsibilities, the Charter, summarises what you are entitled to when you use the NHS services and receive NHS care in Scotland, and what you can do if you feel that your rights have not been respected. The Charter also explains what is expected of you when using the NHS in Scotland. Some of your responsibilities are set out in law. Others are guidelines to help the NHS work effectively in Scotland and to help make sure it uses its resources responsibly. The Charter supports the principle of mutual respect. That is, everyone who uses and provides NHS services has a right to be treated as an individual and with consideration, dignity and respect. The information in the Charter is divided into the following areas: providing and accessing NHS services in Scotland, your rights when using NHS health services, communication and involving you, your rights to be informed about your healthcare and services, and to be involved in decisions about them. Privacy and confidentiality, your rights to privacy and to have your personal health information protected. Feedback and complaints, your rights to have a say about your treatment or care and to have any concerns and complaints dealt with in line with the NHS Scotland complaints procedure. Who can use the Charter? The Charter is for everyone who accesses and uses NHS services and supports in any part of Scotland. This includes patients, their carers, loved ones and NHS staff. What we mean by NHS services. Throughout the Charter, the terms NHS services and NHS staff refer to the services provided by your local health board and staff they employ. National Health Boards, the Common Services Agency, known as National Services Scotland, and Healthcare Improvement Scotland, where appropriate. This will normally include those who provide NHS primary care services. For example, GPs, dentists, opticians and pharmacists, and their staff. Find out more about the NHS in Scotland and your local health board on the NHS Scotland website, www.scot.nhs.uk. While the health board is responsible for delivering health services, integration authorities are responsible for planning and commissioning delegated community-based health and social care services in their areas. To integrate health and social care, staff from the Health Board, local authority and third and independent sector, voluntary, charity and private organisations need to work together to provide joined-up, person-centred services. Care which responds to an individual's personal circumstances, values, needs and preferences. Find out more about these services and your rights to them on the Scottish Government website, www.nhs.inform.scot/care-support-and-rights/NHS-services, and the Health and Social Care Scotland website, www.hscscotland.scot.